Understanding the cost of upstairs heat repair.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a common issue many homeowners face, the heat not working upstairs. This could be due to various reasons, and the costs to fix it can vary significantly. We'll take a closer look at what you might expect to pay depending on what's causing the issue. Remember, the cost estimates given here are only approximations, and the actual price may vary based on factors like your location, the specific issue, and the contractor you hire.
Identifying the problem.
Before we can talk about costs, we need to identify what might be causing your heating issue. Here are the common causes. Faulty thermostat. Your upstairs thermostat might be broken or malfunctioning. Air duct issues. Your air ducts could be leaking, blocked, or they might not be properly insulated. Furnace or HVAC system problems. The system itself could be malfunctioning. Insulation problems. Poor insulation can make it difficult to keep heat in.
Cost to fix a faulty thermostat.
A faulty thermostat is one of the easier problems to fix. The cost of a new thermostat can range from $50 to $200 for basic models, and the labor cost for professional installation might add $50 to $100. Therefore, you can expect to pay between $100 and $300 to fix a faulty thermostat.
Cost to fix air duct issues.
Air duct issues can be a bit more costly to fix. If the ducts are blocked, you might only need to pay for a professional cleaning, which could cost $300 to $500. However, if the ducts are leaking or need insulation, the cost could range from $500 to $2,000, depending on the extent of the problem and the size of your home.
Cost to fix furnace or HVAC system problems.
Furnace or HVAC system problems can be the most costly to fix. Minor repairs might cost $100 to $400, while more significant issues could cost $1,000 to $3,000. In the worst-case scenario, you might need to replace the entire system, which can cost $4,000 to $10,000 or more.
Cost to improve insulation.
Finally, if the issue is due to poor insulation, you'll need to pay for new insulation material and professional installation. This can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000 depending on the size of the area and the type of insulation used. In conclusion, the cost to fix the heat not working upstairs can vary greatly depending on what's causing the problem. You could pay as little as $100 for a simple thermostat fix, or upwards of $10,000 to replace a broken HVAC system or install new insulation. Remember, these are only estimates, and the actual cost will depend on your specific circumstances. It's always best to hire a professional to diagnose and fix the problem, ensuring your home stays warm and cozy.